guys, so that one is an amazing trick. Alright? It's a very cool trick. Okay? Let's select the color where we can see such as purple. And let's select our brushes. Let's go for this one. And yeah. There's a little line here. And I'm going to color the other line. Dot here. A bit too... yeah, a little bit too invisible. Okay, blue dot here. Okay? Now let's switch again to purple line. What this is that this will go to that little blue dot there faster than you could see. So quickly. How exactly do you make it go so quick? Well, if I want to move it, explain me, in how many seconds do you want me to move it? 10 seconds? 5 seconds? Doesn't really matter anyway. It will only move in its tiny perspective effects. When does it move? No one knows. And there goes, see that there. And the reason why because it's so quick is because we move the line so slowly. Now this was just a joke I played on you. Of course you saw me move it quickly, but if I move it slowly, right now I'm actually moving it. I'm actually moving it right now slowly with the mouse. But you don't really see it. So that will actually last me probably to the rest of the day. And I actually drew a line. I actually made my own customized robot thingy that continues drawing a line from one point calculated to the other. Also like a little thingy, yeah, which like little fingers are doing it on their own. And after I reached for the third day, they were still going, and I woke up to after 7 months later, and it was just about nearly to the end. So as you can see, that was just a joke to show you how the trick works and what you do. Now the effect's actually really simple. I actually love playing the trick on my little brother and my sister actually. But so you have to move it really slowly, and they don't notice because it's too tiny for their eyes to see. And now it's too tiny for your eyes to see. So what has changed over the years with your age? And of course my age has matched. Under years means like less than a year, like always under milliseconds, less than a millisecond. Over milliseconds means longer than a millisecond, or like longer than a minute. So it's really slow that takes over a minute. Matching means exactly. So of course your range matches, and this matched as well. But yeah, thanks, yeah.